Welcome! Today we're taking you on a journey to a country that feels like it's already living in the year 2050, a nation whose name has become synonymous with precision, innovation, and exceptional quality. That country is Japan. In this feature, we explore what daily life looks like in Japan, whether relocation is feasible for foreigners, and why Japan is often regarded as decades ahead in terms of technological advancement. We'll also address practical questions about visiting or moving to Japan, while uncovering the unique cultural norms and societal habits that set it apart from the rest of the world. Stay with us as we dive into this compelling portrait of a nation unlike any other. Officially known as the State of Japan, Nihon or Nippon, meaning origin of the sun, Japan is an East Asian island nation comprised of over 6,800 islands, with 4 main islands accounting for most of its landmass. Covering approximately 377,000 square kilometers, it is home to roughly 123 million people, making it the 12th most populous country in the world. Despite its modest size, Japan wields substantial global influence, ranking as the 3rd largest economy by nominal GDP. Its population is remarkably homogeneous, 98% ethnic Japanese, and the country maintains a largely monolingual society, with Japanese as the official language. Japan's global reputation is built on a foundation of discipline, punctuality, and a deeply ingrained work ethic. Japanese citizens are known for their professionalism, respect for personal boundaries, and commitment to completing tasks without delay or deferral. That said, the intensity of Japan's work culture has also drawn scrutiny. Reports of karoshi, death from overwork, and stress-related health issues have prompted government intervention, including the installation of recreational facilities and public gamified systems to encourage work-life balance. Few nations have demonstrated the resilience of Japan. Following near-total devastation during World War II, the country executed one of the most rapid and comprehensive economic recoveries in modern history. Central to this resurgence was the adoption of stringent quality control systems that transformed Japanese manufacturing from a post-war liability into a global benchmark for excellence. Today, Japan leads the world in automotives, electronics, and robotics. Its GDP stands at approximately $4.4 trillion, with an average annual income near $35,000. Key industries include automotive engineering, banking, and tourism. Japan's technological landscape is frequently described as futuristic. The nation pioneered high-speed rail with its iconic Shinkansen, bullet train, reaching speeds of 320 kilometers per hour while maintaining remarkable stability. Passengers can comfortably drink tea mid-transit. Beneath Tokyo, subterranean rail lines run below existing tracks, adding another layer to the country's complex transit architecture. Public restrooms feature fully digitized systems, and vending machines, over 5 million nationwide, sell everything from beverages to hot meals to apparel. The integration of automation and smart systems into everyday life reinforces the perception that Japan is operating on a different timeline than the rest of the world. As the capital, Tokyo exemplifies Japan's duality of tradition and hyper-modernity. With a metropolitan population of roughly 35 million, it is one of the most densely populated urban centers on Earth. Shibuya Crossing, often compared to New York's Times Square, sees over 3,000 pedestrians cross simultaneously during peak hours, a controlled spectacle that draws international visitors daily. Nearby, tax-free shopping districts, electronics hubs, and vending machine corridors attract global consumers. Shinjuku offers a contrasting landscape of skyscrapers, nightlife, and commercial intensity. Meanwhile, Tokyo's culinary scene enjoys international acclaim, with sushi remaining a cultural staple and global favorite. Japan is consistently ranked among the safest countries in the world, with a crime rate of just 0.22%. Legal processes are efficient, and judicial outcomes are typically swift, a deterrent to would-be offenders. However, concerns persist regarding cybercrime and domestic abuse, both of which have seen modest increases in recent years. Social trust is exceptionally high. Dishonesty and fraud are statistically rare, and Japanese culture emphasizes personal accountability over blame shifting. Borrowing norms from omotenashi, hospitality culture, service standards are uniformly elevated across sectors. In 2025, Japan witnessed a record-breaking year for tourism, with foreign visitor arrivals surpassing 40 million for the first time, reaching approximately 42.7 million. Travelers are drawn to its seamless integration of natural landscapes, ancient heritage, and futuristic cityscapes. Accommodation ranges from luxury hotels to capsule hotels, compact pod-style lodgings designed for budget-conscious travelers. For those seeking historical immersion, villages such as Shirakawa-go and Gokayama offer preserved architectural styles and rural tranquility. Notable attractions include Mount Fuji, Kyoto's temple districts, Osaka Castle, and the immersive digital art of Team Lab museums. Pop culture pilgrims can visit a Doraemon-themed village near Takaoka City, dedicated to the beloved anime character. Visitors frequently note Japan's distinctive customs. Making noise while eating noodles, for example, is not only accepted, but encouraged. It signals enjoyment and appreciation to the chef. Instead of photographic menus, many restaurants display hyper-realistic plastic food replicas to represent dishes. Kit Kat flavors exclusive to Japan include matcha, sake, and sweet potato. Watermelons are sometimes cultivated into cube shapes to optimize refrigerator storage. A small number of hot spring resorts offer noodle baths, bathing pools infused with noodle broth extracts intended for skincare rather than consumption. Japan has gradually opened its labor market to foreign professionals. The highly skilled professional visa offers a streamlined pathway for individuals with advanced degrees or specialized expertise. Opportunities also exist for technicians, nurses, and tradespeople through specific work visa categories. Visa application fees are modest, approximately $20, and U.S. citizens are generally exempt from visa fees for short-term stays. And approval rates have improved in recent years for qualified applicants from diverse countries. Japan boasts a literacy rate of 99%, reflecting a robust and equitable education system. The national unemployment rate hovers around 4%, indicative of relative labor market stability. Nevertheless, the country faces demographic headwinds. Its population has been in gradual decline due to low birth rates and limited immigration. These trends present long-term economic and social challenges. Japan holds the somber distinction of being the only nation to have experienced nuclear attack during wartime, with atomic bombings in Hiroshima and Nagasaki marking the final chapter of World War II. In the decades since, Japan has charted a path defined by peaceful development, technological mastery, and cultural diplomacy. Its passport remains one of the world's most powerful, granting visa-free or visa-on-arrival access to 192 countries and territories. From the disciplined rhythm of its train schedules to the quiet precision of its craftsmanship, Japan offers a model of societal function that continues to fascinate global observers. Whether you are considering relocation, planning a visit, or simply exploring from afar, Japan presents a compelling case study in resilience, innovation, and cultural integrity. We hope this overview has enriched your understanding of Japan. Share your thoughts in the comments. What aspect of Japanese culture or innovation interests you most? Thank you for watching. If you found this feature valuable, consider subscribing for more global insights. Until next time.